Standard 10th, History, Political Science. The first chapter of History, Historiography, Development in the West. Children, I'll continue giving you the markings of the first chapter of History, which I had left incomplete last time. So in the last lecture, I had given you all the markings till question number 5. So now we'll continue with question number 6. Okay, so open your textbooks to page number 6. Page 6. Answer the following in detail. Question number 1. Explain Karl Marx class theory. The answer to this question is on page number 4. Go to page number 4, children. Right hand side. Right hand side, last paragraph. Okay. Count from the first line of the last paragraph, right hand side. Karl Marx, 1818 to 1883. See the first, second, third, fourth, fifth line. According to Karl Marx, did you all get that? According to Karl Marx, history was not about abstract ideas. It was about living people. That's your first point. Okay. Then second point, human relationships are shaped by the fundamental needs of the people and the ownership as well as nature of prevalent means of production to meet those needs. That's your second point. Then third point, the accessibility of these means to different strata of the society may not be equal. Okay. Then the fourth point, this inequality causes, now turn the page, go to page number 5. Okay. So this is the fourth point which is continued on page number 5. Left hand side. So this inequality causes a division of the society into classes leading to class struggle. That's point number 4. Then point number 5, according to Marx, human history is a history of class struggle as the class that owns the means of production economically exploits the rest of the classes. Till here, that's it. 5 points. Answer 6.1. Okay. Now we'll go back to page number 6 and we'll see question number 6.2. What are the 4 characteristics of modern historiography? Now the answer to this question is on page number 2. Page number 2. (6.2). So that is last paragraph, left hand side. 4 main characteristics. Got this, children? Page number 2. Left hand side, last paragraph, modern historiography. So your answer starts as an introduction. The 4 main characteristics of modern historiography, after that write, are as follows. Okay, same page, see the right hand side, it's already given point wise. So we'll see the first point. Its method is based on, so this is the intro. Okay, then the first point, its method is based on scientific principles. It begins with the formation of relevant questions. Second point, these questions are anthropocentric. You know what's the meaning of anthropocentric, children? Okay, so the meaning of anthropocentric. Anthropocentric means it's a belief that humans are more important than anything else. Okay, so this is your second point. These questions are anthropocentric. It means that these questions are about the deeds of the members of ancient societies of a particular period. History does not suggest any interrelation between the divine and human needs. That's your second point. Now the third point, go to page number 3. So we'll go to page number 3 for point number 3. Okay. Answers to these questions are supported by reliable evidence. This is your third point. Then fourth and the last point, History presents a graph of mankind's journey with the help of past human deeds. Till human deeds. Okay? Till human deeds. That's your point number 4. So answer 6.2, 4 points. Now we'll go to question number 6.3. Question number 6.3. What is feminist historiography? Now this answer is same as answer number 3.1. Okay, can you see 3.1 here, children? Historical research was driven to focus in depth on various aspects of women's life. Same answer. Answer 3.1 and answer 6.3, feminist historiography. Both the answers are the same. If you want, we'll just have a look at it once again. That's on page number 5. Okay, we'll go to page number 5. Okay, this is page number 5 here. So here this is feminist historiography. Remember, I marked this answer over here. Okay, so that is 6.3 and also 3.1. So how many points are there? 1, then here's 2, then this was your third point, then this was the fourth point, and this was your fifth and the last point in historical writing. So 5 points. So 5 points is what? Answer 6.3 and 3.1. Okay, now we'll go to question number 6.4. Okay, yeah, 6.4. that is the last question of this lesson. Explain Leopold von Ranke's perspective of history. The answer to this question is on page number 4. Let us go to page number 4. Here, 6.4, right hand side. Page number 4, right hand side, first paragraph. Leopold von Ranke. Okay, in this paragraph, see the first, second, third line. Leopold von Ranke of Berlin University, okay, spoke about, cancel he over here, spoke about the critical method of historical research. This is your first point. Second, he put emphasis on the utmost importance of information gathered through original documents. That's your second point. Third, he also stated that all types of documents associated with a historical event need to be examined with greatest care. That's your third point. And the fourth and the last point is, he believed that with this method it was possible to reach the historical truth. So you have 1, 2, 3 and your 4 points. Okay, that's it. I think one more point will be required. Add one more point, children. That's your fifth and the last point. So this would be our last point. He criticized the imaginative narration of history. So that's your fifth point. 5 points answer. So answer 6.4, 5 points. So now, children, I have finished giving you all the markings of all the question answers, exercise question answers of chapter number 1. What I want you all to do is, you all write down these question answers in a notebook and you can start studying lesson number 1. Thank you, children.